The next level of organization after cells is tissues. The objective of this video is to describe how cells are arranged into tissues. Cells that are of the same type are arranged together into tissues in order to maximize efficiency. Examples of tissues are epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are found in animals and have sheets of cells. They line the surfaces of organs and cover them, and here they play the role of protection and secretion. Some types of epithelial tissues are made up of thin, flat cells lining organs where the fusion takes place, like the alveoli of lungs. Other types of epithelial cells are the ciliated epithelium, lining ducts such as the trachea. These contain structures called cilia that are used to move mucus over the epithelial surface. So even the same kind of tissue, like epithelial tissues, can have different subtypes and be even more specialized to perform certain functions in certain areas of the body. Another kind of tissue is the xylem found in plants. It is made up of a number of similar cell types, the xylem cells. The xylem tissue is a transport tissue in plants, specifically transporting water and mineral ions throughout the plant. The xylem also gives the plant mechanical support since it allows the passage of water to give turgor pressure to the plant.